What's up, guys? The one, the only water cool full. Happy Easter. Here's an update since I forgot to do one. So in the previous video, let's talk about moving the pump. I have moved the pump over here. So essentially this right here, it's gonna be two ports. They're connected. So this will be the drain port, and first side would be, or I should say first loop in a way, will be going from here all the way here, shoot over, then go back to the GPU, which is your input. I'm debating if I want to change this to here, then get a double 90 essentially, and then have it shoot down here and then connect right here. And then from there, I have to take this guy, which would be, I believe, the top. There we go. Yeah, the top, and then shoot it over back to here. To get the pump running, my idea did work. I did a test fit. So here it is. I wired it up to be connected to a 3-pin, and then if you connect it to the AIO, which is this guy right here, it gives it enough power to turn this on and everything like that. So that makes me extremely happy that it worked or whatnot. I only did it for like 10-15 seconds and immediately cut it off, because it is a ceramic bearing. Water's the lubricant. You run it dry, that ceramic bearing essentially is going to overheat and go kaboom. I have a little water meter gauge. I had an extra one of these guys like I have in the other build that I'm currently using. So this will work right here. I had to do finagling with the fittings right here. So everything is good to go. I think if I do run that tubing from here to here, it'll look a little bit cleaner because it's not like in the middle of everything. So if I run it down here, I have a CPU cover. So I want to make sure first, have the CPU cover, put that on, or CPU, excuse me, the PSU cover, have that on first to make sure I have room for that. But I think I should, hopefully, the way I have it. And this fan also still lights up blue, so it'll be like a little light blue coming out and everything. Hopefully it does work and everything like that, so I'm happy. As far as the fan, these are hard drives. I don't know if I'm going to fill all these up. So, and I had to get an extender for this guy. I don't think I had to get an extender for this one, but then I had to get an extender for the CPU cables, both of them. You can just run one, but I decided to just do two. It does test boot and everything like it's supposed to. So yeah, because I really don't like how it moves like this. It moves way too much. So if I'm able to, essentially I'll get like a double 90 for hard tubing, where I can essentially go here, then cut it, make the tubing go down here, and then have it go right here. Probably look a little bit better instead of all the way over here and everything. But here's what it looks like, what I had to do to get everything to fit. Can't really do with tubing because of the 90, and the tubing is a lot wider than just doing a standard 90-degree fitting. I do have a lot of 90s, but these pumps here love like restrictive flow. This is why the MCP35X or your 355 pumps are so good. Like, you can hook up a whole bunch of stuff and you'll be fine and everything like that. So that is the build update for the day. All I need to do is get some more connections, hook it up, essentially fill, bleed, and be good to go. So hopefully on my birthday, I might be able to get some parts and everything like that. I think it's between $60 to $70 in parts is what I need to like finish the build. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, rate, comment, subscribe, click that like button. And as always, have a great day now. Bye.